Hi everyone, my name is Sarah, and this is my clip of the ruminant digestive system. So today I'm going to be looking at the cow or dairy cow and its ruminant digestive system. So first we start in the mouth, work our way to the esophagus, which allows for regurgitation. And then we move into the stomach. With ruminant digestive systems, they have four parts to their stomach. So we start with the rumen, which is responsible for fermenting and digesting fiber. Then we move into the reticulum, which can pass material back up the esophagus for regurgitation. Next, we have the omasum, and that absorbs the minerals and the water from the nutrients. And then we have the abomasum, which is where digestion occurs. From here, we then move into the small intestine, and further digestion and absorption of nutrients occurs. And then we have the large intestine, which absorbs water and breaks down the material to then be passed out. Now looking at the location of metabolism, digestion, and absorption. So first nutrient we have listed here is protein. An example would be fish meal. This is broken down in the rumen to form ammonia. The microbes then work with energy from carbohydrate metabolism to form their own proteins. The absorption occurs in the small intestine, and the proteins pass through the rumen unaltered and integrated in the abomasum and then absorbed by the small intestine. Next, we have fats, example being unsaturated fatty acids, such as corn. So some fatty acids escape during biohydrogenation. They can then be stored as fat or converted into energy. The absorption occurs in the rumen and small intestine, and the fats go through biohydrogenation to convert the unsaturated fatty acids to saturated, which would be less toxic to the animal. Next, we have carbohydrates such as silage. So the VFAs are sent to the parts of the body: acetate, muscles and fat; propionate, which would be liver; and butyrate would be the rumen wall. The rumen wall is responsible for the absorption. It breaks down the structure so that they can then be used for energy. And the carbohydrates are fermented in the rumen by microbes to form simple sugars that are then used as a energy source to produce waste products such as VFAs, acetate, propionate, and butyrate. We have vitamins, example being vitamin B. The microbes in the rumen absorb and send nutrients through the bloodstream. It provides energy and proper nerve function. Absorption occurs in the small intestine. I don't know why I listed that twice, I'm sorry. And then the digestion of vitamins, the rumen microbes synthesize vitamin B. Lastly, we have minerals, example being sodium. So sodium is absorbed through the rumen wall. Then as it travels through the digestive system, it is also absorbed in the intestines to maintain balance in the cow's diet. Absorption occurs in the small intestine, and sodium is absorbed through the gastrointestinal tract. This mineral can be found in food and supplements that make up the diet. These are my references, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.